Now, track fans, let's talk about Lyles. Now, Lyles has made a very shocking statement recently when he was being interviewed by media personality, and what he said jogged my memory. Like, it shocked me so much that I just felt like you guys need to know about this. So in case this happens to be your first time here on the YouTube channel, please do me a favor before we continue with the main title of the video, which is no one else boasting about breaking the Usain Bolt world record. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not talking about the 100-meter world record. I'm talking about the 4 by 200-meter world record, because no one had already made a statement before World Athletic Budapest will begin that he is going to break Usain Bolt 200-meter world record in Budapest World Athletic Championship that has already happened already. But unfortunately for no one else, it did not even happen. No one else failed to break Usain Bolt world record in the 200 meters, and now no one else came back again when being interviewed. He said that he has a potential, he has passion to break Usain Bolt 4 by 200-meter relay world record. Well, if you ask me if whether what he said is bad or not, I will tell you that record are meant to be broken, and no one else coming out to clearly declare that he wants to break this or that record is not actually bad. But a lot of people are just feeling like it will be better if no one else is just keeping quiet and letting his foot do the action instead of him coming to social media, coming to news media, and boasting about breaking this or that record. That's how a lot of people are thinking. But let me know what you think, guys. Let me know what you think.